Friends, today I will be going to solve some basic important proofs of trigonometry. See students, first you have to do the basic important proofs of trigonometry. First you have to practice the basic part of the proofs of trigonometry. Then you can solve any proof of trigonometry. Okay. First you have to study the basic part. Then you can solve easily other proofs of trigonometry. So if you solve the basic part, then it will be more easy for you to solve the other proofs of trigonometry. But first you have to go through the basic important proofs. Okay. Now let's start. The first one is cosec theta minus cot theta. See students, first one is given cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equals to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So now start from left hand side. LHS cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Now see here cosec cot and here cos given. So first you have to convert it into sin cos format. Okay. Now see cosec means 1 by sin theta and cot means what? Cot means cos theta by sin theta. Now this is in whole square form. Now see 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sin square theta, which is equals to 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta divided by sin square theta means we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Now see sin square theta 1 minus cos square theta. Here it will be same numerator 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Now see here this is a square minus b square format, that is 1 minus cos square theta. So it will be 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Now see this will cancel out and hence the next step will be 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, and this is your RHS. Okay. See this is the first one. Now see students, this is the second one, that is given cos a by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a divided by cos a is equals to 2 sec a. So first you have to start from LHS. So I have already written the LHS part. Now see here you have to plus, okay, cos a plus divided by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a divided by cos a. Okay, you have to take the LCM. Now see, solve it. 1 plus sin a cos a. Now see 1 plus sin a will be cancelled out and cos a will be cos square a plus cos a will be cancelled out and 1 plus sin a whole square. Okay. Now see this will be cos square a plus b whole square format, that is 1 plus sin square a plus 2 sin a divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. Now see sin square a plus cos square a is equals to 1. So sin square a plus cos square a is equals to 1. So 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, and here also plus 2 sin a divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a, which is equals to 2 into 1 plus sin a. You have to take, see 2 is common. So write 1 plus sin a into cos a. See this will be cancelled out and this will be 2 by cos a, which is equals to 2 sec a. We know that 1 by cos a is equals to sec a. So 2 by cos a is equals to 2 sec a. This is what you have to prove. Okay. Now see the third one. The third one is given tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta is equals to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. So you have to start from LHS. So see, after starting from LHS, you see here first you have to convert it into sin theta and cos theta. Okay, otherwise you cannot solve this. Means you can solve, but it will be take more time. Okay, it will get lengthy. So first you have to convert it into sin cos. Now see, now solve sin theta divided by cos theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta divided by cos theta. This will come here, cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta, which is equals to sin theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Here also cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Now see here, both these are same, but there is difference in their sign. Okay, so you have to take negative sign here. See, take out the negative sign here. Okay, so that it became same, sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, now see, sin square theta divided by cos theta sin theta minus cos theta. Now see, I have taken out this minus sign here. Okay, minus here, this minus here. Now see, cos square theta divided by sin theta, and this will be sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, the minus I have taken out here. Now see, take the LCM, sin theta cos theta sin theta minus cos theta. Now see here, this will be cancelled, and here will be sin cube theta minus here also as well cos cube theta, which is equals to a cube minus b cube formula is what, students? A cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, now see, sin cube minus cos cube, sin theta minus cos theta into a square plus ab plus b square divided by sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Now see, this will be cancelled out. Now see, after cancel out these two, you see here sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Now see, write 1 plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. Now see, here you have to separate this, that is 1 by sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. Now 1 by sin theta means cosec theta, 1 by cos theta means sec theta, plus this will be cancelled out 1. Now see, this is you have to prove here. See, okay, students, pause the video and then see it properly. Okay, students. Now see the fourth one, that is given 1 plus sec a divided by sec a is equals to sin square a by 1 minus cos a. Okay, now see, first you have to take LHS. So after taking LHS, you see this will be 1 by sec a plus sec a by sec a. Now see, 1 by sec a means cos a plus this will cancel out, and hence the answer will be 1. Now see, the RHS is given this, so you have to solve here RHS separately. Okay, now see, sin square a divided by 1 minus cos a. Sin square a means 1 minus cos square a divided by 1 minus cos a square minus b square format, that is 1 minus cos a into 1 plus cos a divided by 1 minus cos a, and this will be cancelled out, and the answer will be 1 plus cos a. So you can say that LHS is equals to RHS. This is the smallest proof. Okay, now see, the next one is given cos a minus sin a plus 1 divided by cos a plus sin a minus 1, which is equals to cosec a plus cot a. So you have to start from LHS. Now see here cosec cot is given, so you have to first convert it into cosec cot. Okay, so for converting it into cosec cot, see 1 by sin A is cosec, so you have to divide the numerator and denominator by sin A. Okay, by sin A. Okay students, now see cos A by sin A means what? Cos A by sin A. See cos A divided by sin A means cot A, minus sin A divided by sin A means 1, plus 1 by sin A means cosec A, divided by cos A by sin A means cot A, plus sin A 1, minus 1 by sin A means cosec A. Now see students, we know one formula, that is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. So here you see you have to apply this, and for applying this you have to first take a square minus b square form. Now see here cot A plus cosec A is given. So we have to multiply cosec A minus cot A on both numerator and denominator. Okay, now see here, see cot A plus cosec A minus cot A plus b into A minus b. So here you see A square minus b square format came. Now see minus here given, so write minus means minus into cosec A minus cot A, divided by, here no need to multiply, you just write in this way. Okay, here in the denominator part no need to multiply, you have to only multiply by in the numerator. Now see cosec square theta minus cos square theta is equals to 1. Now see 1 minus cosec A, 1 minus cosec A minus minus plus cot A, divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A into cosec A minus cot A. Now see these and these are same, so this will be cancelled out and you will get 1 by cosec A minus cot A, but you have to write here cosec A plus cot A, so you have to multiply by this, that is cosec A plus cot A on numerator and denominator. On numerator you will get cosec A plus cot A, and denominator you will get 1. Why? Because cosec A minus cot A into cosec A plus cot A minus b into A plus b, A square minus b square. Okay, so cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. So you will get this, and this is your RHS. Okay, in solving these type of sums you have to first see the RHS. Okay, then you have to solve this. Now see students, the next one is given root over of 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A is equals to sec A plus tan A. Now you have to first take the LHS part. Now see, I have already taken the LHS part. Now see here root is given, so you have to first rationalize it under root. Okay, under root you have to rationalize it. Now see 1 minus sin A means here will be 1 plus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A. Okay, now see 1 plus sin A whole square here, and here will be 1 minus sin square A, that is you will get 1 plus sin A whole square divided by cos square A. From the identity sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. Now see here 1 plus sin A square is given, so root over is cancelled out, and cos square A means here will be cos A. Now see 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A, and the answer will be sec A plus tan A. This is your RHS. Okay, see, this is also very easy. See students, here the next one is given sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equals to tan theta. Now see, we know that tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. So in the LHS part, last part, you will get sin theta by cos theta. So the right hand side you will get tan theta. Now see here in numerator from LHS we can write sin theta is common, okay, that is 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and in the numerator you see you can take common cos theta. So take 2 cos square theta minus 1, okay. Now see, this will cancel out, okay, but before cancelling out you have to show that these two are equal. Now see, take any one, suppose sin square theta. Sin square theta means 1 minus cos square theta, okay, divided by, this will be same, 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now see here, sin theta 1 minus 2 minus plus 2 cos square theta divided by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1, which is equals to sin theta 2 cos square theta minus 1 divided by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. This will be cancelled out and you will get sin theta divided by cos theta, which is equals to tan theta, and this will be your RHS, okay. See, you have to solve in this way. Always you have to first see the RHS part, then you have to solve LHS. Now see, the next one is given sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square is equals to 7 plus tan square a plus cos square a. Now see, first you have to take LHS and see a plus b whole square format is given here, so you have to first solve this. Now simply solve sin square a plus cosec square a plus 2 sin a cosec a plus, see, cos square a plus sec square a plus 2 cos a sec a, okay. Now see here, we know sin a into cosec a will be 1. Why? Because sin a is equals to 1 by cosec a. So sin a into cosec a will be 1. So now see, this will be 1, and here also in same way cos and sec will be 1. So 2 into 1 will be 2, here also same way. So 2 plus 2 you will get 4 plus, see, sin square a plus cos square a is equals to 1. So you will get 4 plus 1, that is 5. Now see, here you will get cosec square a plus sec square a. Now see, here you will get 5 plus, now see, cosec square a means, we know that cosec square a minus cos square a is equals to 1. So cosec square a means 1 plus cos square a. Now write 1 plus cos square a. Similarly here also in case of sec square a means sec square a minus tan square a is equals to 1. So we can write sec square a is equals to 1 plus tan square a. Now see, 5 plus 1, 1. So this will be 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a, and this is your RHS. See, pause the video and see it properly. Now see the next one. It is given cosec a minus sin a into sec a minus cos a is equals to 1 plus tan a plus cot a. Now you have to start from LHS. Now see, this is given. Now you have to convert it into sin cos, okay. So cosec means 1 by sin a minus sin a into 1 by cos a minus cos a. Now you have to simplify, 1 minus sin square a divided by sin a into 1 minus cos square a divided by cos a. Now see students, 1 minus sin square a means cos square a divided by sin a into 1 minus cos square a means sin square a divided by cos a. So see, the square will be cancelled out and you will get the answer sin a into cos a. In the RHS part, you see, you have to prove 1 by tan a plus cot a. Now see, here I am doing the RHS. See, 1 by tan A plus cot A. So convert it into sin A and cos A. Okay. Now write sin A by cos A plus cos A by sin A divided 1 divided by, you have to simplify this. You will get cos A sin A in the LCM part. Now cos A cos will be cancelled and you will get sin square A plus cos square A. We know that 1 divided by 1 by sin square A plus cos square A will be 1 divided by sin A cos A. 1 into sin A cos A, and you will get sin A into cos A. So here you can say that LHS is equals to RHS. See, you have to do in this way. Okay. Now see students, the next one is given 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A is equals to 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A whole square is equals to tan square A. Okay. So here two part is given. So you have to first prove the first part, that is 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A is equals to tan square A. Now see, you have to take first LHS. Now see, 1 plus tan square A means sec square A. Okay. As we all know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So sec square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Right. Sec square theta divided by, here also it will be cosec square theta. Cosec square theta minus cos square theta is equals to 1. So cosec square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta. Now see, convert it into sin cos. Okay. Sec square A means 1 by cos square A divided by cosec square A means 1 by sin square A, which is equals to 1 by cos square A into sin square A. Now see, sin A plus cos A is equals to tan, so sin square A divided by cos square A is equals to tan square A. So here is your RHS. Now prove the second part. The second part is given 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A whole square is equals to tan square A. Now see here, now see 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A. So convert the cot into tan, right? 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus 1 by tan A whole square. 1 minus tan A divided by tan A will be here tan A minus 1 divided by tan A whole square. Now see, this will be 1 minus tan A divided by, take the minus outside. Okay, taking the minus outside in common, you see here you will get 1 minus tan A divided by tan A and whole square format. Now see here, this will be 1 minus tan A into minus tan A, this minus, okay, minus tan A divided by 1 minus tan A, and this will be cancelled out, and here whole square format. So you see here, this will be minus tan A whole square, which equals to tan square A, and here is your RHS. See, okay, in this way you have to solve. Now today I have already done 10. So today up to this, on any other day I will solve more proofs on trigonometry, but first you have to go through these basic proofs. Okay, if you can do the basic proofs, then it will be more easy to solve any other proofs. Okay, so first you have to go through these basic proofs. Okay, on other day I will solve many other important proofs of trigonometry. Okay, on other day I will solve many other proofs of trigonometry, but first you go through these proofs. Okay, so today up to this, and if you have any problem then please write in comments. Okay, so that's all for today's class.